क्या तुम्हें भूख लगी है? आर यू हंग्री? आर यू हंग्री? ये बहुत दूर है। इट इज़ वेरी फार। इट इज़ वेरी फार। तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? मैंने ये समझा। आई अंडरस्टूड दैट। आई अंडरस्टूड दैट। आपका दिन कैसा रहा? हाउ वॉज योर डे? हाउ वॉज योर डे? वो कब वापिस आएगा? When will he come back? When will he come back? मुझे ये पसंद है। I like this. I like this. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? उसने क्या कहा? What did he say? What did he say? ये कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? वो बहुत मज़ेदार था। That was very funny. That was very funny. आपने क्या बनाया? What did you make? What did you make? वो कहाँ है? Where is it? Where is it? तुमने क्या खरीदा? What did you buy? What did you buy? मैं तुम्हें समझा नहीं। I did not understand you. I did not understand you. ये कहाँ होगा? Where will this be? Where will this be? तुमने क्या सोचा? What did you think? What did you think? ये अच्छा लग रहा है। It looks good. It looks good. मैं बाद में करूँगा। I will do it later. I will do it later. क्या आपने खाना खा लिया? Did you eat? Did you eat? वो अच्छा लड़का है। He is a good boy. He is a good boy. आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where did you live? Where did you live? ये बहुत छोटा है। It is very small. It is very small. क्या आप मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help? Can you help? मैं जल्दी में हूँ। I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. वो कब शुरू होगा? When will it start? When will it start? मैं तुम्हारे साथ आऊँगा। I will come with you. I will come with you. क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? वो क्यों नहीं आया? Why didn't he come? Why didn't he come? आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health? हाउ इज योर हेल्थ? तुमने उसे देखा? डिड यू सी हिम? डिड यू सी हिम? मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. I don't want this. I don't want this. क्या ये ठीक है? Is this okay? Is this okay? वो कैसे हुआ? How did that happen? How did that happen? आप क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. ये कब खत्म होगा? When will this end? When will this end? मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ. I am very tired. I am very tired. क्या तुम चल सकते हो? Can you walk? Can you walk? उसने मुझे बुलाया. He called me. He called me. आप यहाँ क्यों आए? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? मैं वहाँ गया था. I had gone there. I had gone there. क्या तुम्हें अच्छा लगा? Did you like it? Did you like it? ये कैसे करें? How to do this? How to do this? तुमने कितना पढ़ा? How much did you study? How much did you study? वो बहुत स्मार्ट है. He is very smart. He is very smart. आपने क्या सुना? What did you hear? What did you hear? मैं खुश हूँ. I am happy. I am happy. वो कहाँ गया? Where did he go? Where did he go? आप ठीक तो हो? Are you all right? Are you all right? मैंने उसे बता दिया. I told him. I told him. क्या वो बंद है? Is it closed? Is it closed? ये मेरे लिए है. This is for me. This is for me. कब तक रुकोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? वो कौन है? Who is that? Who is that? मैंने ये नहीं किया. I did not do this. I did not do this. क्या आपको वो चाहिए? Do you want that? Do you want that? ये कब आया? When did this come? When did this come? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know this. I don't know this. तुम क्या खा रहे हो? What are you eating? What are you eating? वो कब तक रहेगा? How long will he stay? How long will he stay? मैं वहाँ नहीं गया. I didn't go there. I didn't go there. आप किससे बात कर रहे हैं? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? ये बहुत बड़ा है. It is very big. It is very big. क्या आप चाय पियोगे? Will you have tea? Will you have tea? मुझे अब जाना होगा. I have to go now. I have to go now. वो कैसी है? How is she? How is she? तुमने क्या लिखा? What did you write? What did you write? ये बहुत गर्म है. It is very hot. It is very hot. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. उसे मत छुओ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. वो मेरी माँ है. She is my mother. She is my mother. क्या ये मजबूत है? Is it strong? Is it strong? मैं आपकी मदद करूँगा. I will help you. I will help you. ये कैसे होगा? How will this happen? How will this happen? वो कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. क्या ये सच है? Is it true? Is it true? उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did he do that? Why did he do that? आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? Where do you work? Where do you work? मुझे और चाहिए. I need more. I need more. क्या ये स्वादिष्ट है? Is it delicious? Is it delicious? वो कितनी देर में आएगा? How soon will he come? How soon will he come? मैं वापस आ गया. I have returned. I have returned. क्या तुमने उसे बताया? Did you tell him? Did you tell him? ये बहुत महंगा है. It is very expensive. It is very expensive. वो कैसे गया? How did he go? How did he go? आप यहाँ कब से हो? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. वो बहुत अच्छा है. That is very good. That is very good. क्या आप मेरी तस्वीर ले सकते हैं? Can you take my picture? Can you take my picture? मैंने आपको सुना. I heard you. I heard you. ये कहाँ से आया? Where did this come from? Where did this come from? तुम्हें ये कैसे मिला? How did you get this? How did you get this? मुझे ये करना होगा. I have to do this. I have to do this. क्या आपके पास पेंसिल है? Do you have a pencil? Do you have a pencil? वो मेरी बहन है. She is my sister. She is my sister. तुम कब तक यहाँ हो? How long are you here for? How long are you here for? मैं उसे नहीं जानता. I don't know him. I don't know him. आप कितनी देर रुकोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? मुझे वो नहीं मिला. I did not get that. I did not get that. ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? Are you ready? वो कब लौटेगा? When will he return? When will he return? मैं वहां नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go there. I will not go there. वो कितनी देर चलेगा? How long will it last? How long will it last? उसने ऐसा कब किया? When did he do that? When did he do that? मैं उससे मिलना चाहता हूं. I want to meet him. I want to meet him. तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? वो मेरी चाबी है. That is my key. That is my key. आप ये कब करोगे? When will you do this? When will you do this? क्या ये दूर है? Is it far? Is it far? मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. आपने क्या खाया? What did you eat? What did you eat? वो कौन सा गाना गा रहा है? Which song is he singing? Which song is he singing? मुझे उससे मिलना है. I need to meet her. I need to meet her. ये कितना भारी है? How heavy is this? How heavy is this? आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? What do you want? उसने ये क्यों किया? Why did he do this? Why did he do this? आप कब तक यहाँ होगे? How long will you be here? How long will you be here? मैं वहाँ था. I was there. I was there. क्या आप मुझसे नाराज हैं? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? तुम कैसे आए? How did you come? How did you come? वो किसके साथ है? Who is she with? Who is she with? मुझे उसकी मदद चाहिए. I need his help. I need his help. ये कैसे टूट गया? How did this break? How did this break? आपका पसंदीदा रंग क्या है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. वो कहाँ खो गया? Where did he get lost? Where did he get lost? तुम कब लौटोगे? When will you return? When will you return? उसने मुझे देखा क्या? Did he see me? Did he see me? क्या ये मुश्किल है? Is it difficult? Is it difficult? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे यहाँ से जाना होगा. I have to go from here. I have to go from here. वो बहुत सुंदर है. She is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. क्या आपको मज़ा आया? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy? मैं उसकी तरफ जा रहा हूँ. I am going towards him. I am going towards him. आपके पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? उसने कैसे किया? How did he do it? How did he do it? तुम कहाँ से आए हो? Where have you come from? Where have you come from? ये कब बना? When was this made? When was this made? क्या आप ठीक हैं? Are you okay? Are you okay? वो मुझे पसंद नहीं है. I don't like him. I don't like him. तुमने उसे क्या कहा? What did you say to her? What did you say to her? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? वो मेरी घड़ी है. That is my watch. That is my watch. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you go with me? Will you go with me? मैंने आपको पहले कहीं देखा है. I have seen you somewhere before you. I have seen you somewhere before you.
सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नई सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.